In this video, we're going to address how to find out if you have any unpaid traffic tickets. It's crucial to address traffic tickets promptly to avoid additional fines, penalties, or complications with your driving privileges. Let's go over the steps you can take to check for any unpaid tickets. 1. Check with the California courts. The first and most direct method is to check with the court in the county where you believe the ticket was issued. California's court system is divided by county, and each has its own Superior Court website. Many of these websites offer an online case search feature where you can search by your name or driver's license number to find any tickets or cases associated with you. 2. The California Department of Motor Vehicles. Another reliable source is the California DMV. You can request a copy of your driver record, which lists all actions and violations associated with your driver's license, including unpaid traffic tickets. This can be done online, by mail, or in person at a DMV office. There is a fee for obtaining this report. 3. Contact a traffic attorney. If you are unsure about navigating the system, or if you suspect you have multiple or complex issues with traffic tickets, consulting with a traffic attorney can be beneficial. They can help identify any outstanding tickets and provide advice on how to resolve them. 4. Using third-party services. There are also third-party websites that offer to find unpaid traffic tickets for a fee. While some of these services can be helpful, it's important to use them with caution and verify their reliability and accuracy. Always consider using official channels first. 5. Be proactive. If you do find that you have unpaid traffic tickets, it's crucial to take action promptly. Contact the court to discuss your options, which may include paying a fine, arranging a payment plan, or contesting the ticket if you believe it was issued in error. Remember, ignorance of an unpaid ticket does not exempt you from penalties and the consequences that can escalate from increased fines to driver's license suspension. By taking the initiative to check your status and resolve any outstanding tickets, you can ensure that your driving record remains clear and your driving privileges remain intact. Staying informed about your driving record and any unpaid traffic tickets is an essential aspect of responsible driving. Utilize the resources available through the California courts and the California DMV to stay on top of your obligations and avoid the pitfalls of neglecting traffic tickets. Thank you for your attention and drive safely.